Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super useful in Excel, the sum if and the sum ifs formulas. If you have ever needed to total up numbers only when certain conditions are met, these functions are going to be your new best friends. I'll walk you through how to use sum if for simple one condition sums, and then we will look at sum ifs when you want to sum with multiple filters like by category, date or anything else. It's easier than it sounds, so stick with me and let's make Excel do the hard work for you. So let's get into it. Here we have the data of the sales of different products in different regions. Suppose we want to find out the total number of units sold of air conditioner. So in the selected cell, we type equals to sum if, hit the tab key, and the range is the list of the items we sold, which is this one. So we select it by pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow, comma, and the criteria is that this items must be equals to this one. So this is our criteria, comma, sum range is the number of units we want in our output. So we select this whole range by pressing Ctrl Shift down, bracket close, and then enter. So we get the total number of units sold of air conditioner, which is equals to 81. So here is another example where we find out the total sales made by Alina. So we press equals to sum if, tab key, and then select the list of salesperson, comma, and the criteria is that this person is equals to this one. So this is our criteria, comma, and the sum range is our total sales. So we select these by pressing Ctrl Shift down, bracket close, and then enter. So we get the total sales made by Elena, which is 47920. Moving on to the next example where we want to find out the total sales in the north region. So we type here equals to sum if, tab key, and the range for now is the list of regions. So we select it by pressing Ctrl Shift down, comma, and the criteria is that this region must be equals to this one, comma, and the output we want is the total sales. So we select it by pressing Ctrl Shift down, bracket close, and then enter. So we get the total sales in the north region, which is $33210. Now take a look towards sum is formula in which we find out the output if multiple conditions are met at the same time. So here we want to find out total number of UPS sold by Gabriel. So in this case, we have two conditions. Number one is UPS, that we want to find out the sale of UPS and specifically for Gabriel. So we type here equals to sum ifs, tab key, and the sum range is the number of items sold. We select this column by pressing Ctrl Shift down, comma, and the criteria range 1 is the items must be equals to UPS. So we select the items as a criteria range 1, comma, and this item must be equals to UPS. So we type UPS but in inverted commas, UPS, comma, and the criteria range 2 is that the salesperson must be equals to Gabriel. So we select this by pressing Ctrl Shift down, comma, and the salesperson must be equals to Gabriel. So we type Gabriel in inverted commas and then bracket close and enter. So we get the total number of UPS sold by Gabriel, which is equals to 62. Now let's find out the total sales of microwave in East. So here we again have two criteria. Number one is microwave and the number two is East. So we type equals to sum ifs, tab key, and the sum range is now the total sales. So we select it, comma, criteria range 1 is that the products must be equals to microwave. So we select the product list, comma, these products must be equals to microwave. So we type microwave in inverted commas And the criteria range 2 is the list of regions. So we select these, comma, and these region must be equals to east. So we type east, and bracket close and enter. So we get the total sales of microwave in East region, which is equals to $23560. Now let's find out the total stabilizers sold by Carol in West. So here we have three conditions now. Number one is items, which is stabilizer. Number two is the salesperson, which is Carol. And the number three is region, which is West. So we type equals to sum ifs, tab key. Sum range is the number of units sold. So we select these, comma. Criteria range 1 is that the products must be equals to stabilizers. So we select the product list, and these products must be equals to stabilizers. So we type stabilizers. Criteria range 2 is the salesperson. So we want them to be equals to Carol. So we select them, comma, and criteria is that these must be equals to Carol, comma, and now the region must be equals to West. So we select the regions, comma, and type West and press enter. So we get the total stabilizers sold by Carol in West. And that's it. You have now got the hang of sum if and sum ifs in Excel. These formulas can seriously save you tons of time when working with big data sets. If you learned something new today, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. I have got more Excel tips coming your way soon.